Even space girls know you got a big delight in every bite. Delicious Hostess cream filled
extends a significant fraction of the way to the nearest stars. A gravitational push or pull from a nearby star can dislodge a comet from the Oort cloud and send it slowly toward the sun. Centuries later, the comet swings around the sun and begins its trek back to the abyss. The Oort ice ball is virtually a one-time visitor. It won't return for tens of thousands of years. A second source of comets is a donut-shaped zone beyond Neptune known as the Kuiper Belt. Although closer to us than the Oort cloud, the Kuiper Belt is of special interest because it harbors the most pristine relics of planetary formation. With no giant planet in the region to absorb or eject them, most Kuiper objects have remained undisturbed since their creation. Nevertheless, Kuiper objects occasionally fall sunward, and sooner or later, a bright one becomes visible from Earth. A typical comet from the Kuiper Belt follows a highly elongated orbit and returns to our neighborhood every few hundred years or so. Halley's Comet, a relatively frequent visitor, is from the Kuiper Belt, while Comet Hale-Bopp is from the Oort cloud and won't be back anytime soon.
There must be squillions of comets out there in the Oort cloud, and only a few of them get to visit us. And the same thing happens with the Kuiper Belt. There, a comet might get perturbed, and it would start coming in a little bit, and these comets will go around the sun and come back, and then go around again, and come back in these slow, wide loops. And quite often they'll have repeated encounters with Jupiter, and their periods will be changed. They'll be changed to a couple of 100 years, and then to 50, and then maybe to 6 or 5 years. We have one comet called Encke's Comet, and that comet comes by every 3 1/3 years, so it's almost always around.